If you have a Mac and an iPhone, the chances are you're treating them as two completely separate devices. Something on your iPhone and you need that on your Mac, you email it to yourself or take a screenshot, and sometimes you even retype it. The moment you bought both, Apple considered them one device, and most users never got that memo. There are 7 features built into your Mac and iPhone that majority of users never know they even exist. So let's start with something simple and probably the most immediately useful: Universal Clipboard. I will select this text on my iPhone, copy it, go back to my Mac and directly paste it in Pages or Word or Notes. And that's it. No email, no snapshot, no typing, or no AirDrop. It works in both directions. You copy something on your Mac, paste it on iPhone. Copy something on iPhone, paste it conveniently on Mac. However, it's essential that your both device must be signed into same Apple ID. Bluetooth on, Wi-Fi on. Also on your Mac, get to System Settings, General, look for AirDrop and Continuity. And ensure in this window, allow handoff between this Mac and your iCloud devices is on. By the way, you must know, if you copy something, that content stays in Clipboard only for a couple of minutes. So you must hurry up and paste it within a couple of minutes on the other device. Most people know AirDrop exists on their Apple products, and most people use it occasionally. Surprisingly, majority of users do not use AirDrop as their default way to move things between Mac or iPhone. Faster than email, faster than WhatsApp, faster than uploading to cloud, no internet connection needed. Even you can share live images without losing effects between all Apple products. All you have to do is select any image, video, or any other type of file, click on Share button, choose AirDrop, select the device. Now on your Mac, simply click on Accept. And there it is. That's your image without losing any resolution, no cable, no internet needed, within just 10 seconds. Reading something in Safari on your Mac and have to leave your desk for a moment. Watch what happens on my iPhone. Swipe up on iPhone to App Switcher and wait. And now see that Safari icon at the bottom. That's the handoff banner. You tap it and voila. Same website, same article. And it works other way too. You can open Notes app on your iPhone, type something here, and immediately notice Notes app also appears in Dock on your Mac. Click on the app and continue Notes now on your Mac, exactly where you left off. Mail, Maps, Reminders, Notes, it works all across these apps. To use Handoff, it is important to have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active on both the devices. If Handoff is not working on your devices, get to Settings, General, look for AirPlay and Continuity, and ensure Handoff is on. Your MacBook has a built-in camera, but your iPhone has one of the best cameras ever put on a smartphone. You can FaceTime or Zoom with iPhone camera on your Mac. Open any video app, click on Camera or Video drop-down. You will find iPhone as camera option. Now that's your iPhone camera. No cable, no app. Just set up your iPhone on some tiny tripod or stand nearby your Mac and you're ready to go. Center stage keeps you in the frame as you move. In settings, when you enable studio light, it gives you soft professional portrait lighting. But that's not it. Rim light is another great addition. You can also change the intensity of this light. This is a one solution for many creators. Even in dark conditions, You can do your meetings, you can record a video, and the quality is really good. You also get the desk view that uses the ultra-wide lens to show you what's on your desk. It can be useful for showing some documents or objects. By any chance, camera continuity doesn't work on your Mac, then on your iPhone, under AirPlay and Continuity, ensure Continuity camera is on. If you ever need to use your iPhone's hotspot, don't jump into settings. Click on that Wi-Fi symbol in the menu bar on your Mac. In most cases, you will see iPhone listed right there. Just click on it to connect. No password needed. Just one tap and you're connected to your iPhone's hotspot. This is Instant Hotspot. It works when both devices are on same Apple ID, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, personal hotspot set to allow others to join in iPhone settings. But one thing I must tell you, your iPhone's battery drains faster when hotspot is active. So ensure it has enough charge before a long session. You're working on your Mac. Your iPhone is in a different room. It rings, you miss it. Or you pick it up. Interrupt everything you were doing. Instead, your Mac can also ring when iPhone rings. In iPhone settings, look for Phone. Now enable calls on other devices and select your Mac. On your Mac, open FaceTime. From left side top corner menu bar, click on Settings and enable calls from iPhone. To make the system to work, your iPhone and Mac, they both should be on same Wi-Fi network. Also, they both should be logged in with the same Apple ID. Messages app on Mac shows all your iPhone text. You can reply from your keyboard, send as iMessage or SMS through your iPhone. This one puts your entire iPhone on your Mac. On Mac, in the dock, there is an app called iPhone Mirroring. And most people never clicked it. If your Mac and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi, logged in with the same Apple ID, Bluetooth on, you can directly connect your entire iPhone through this app on your Mac. Every app on your iPhone accessible from your Mac with mouse, keyboard, trackpad. By clicking on this button at the right side top corner, you can also activate App Switcher and you can switch apps with your trackpad on your iPhone right from here. Open any specific window or simply close any app by swiping it up. Not only that, you can drag a file, a photo, a video from your iPhone to your Mac. In fact, in both directions. And this makes the job even easier. No more AirDrop. You can simply pick the file and drop it. Maybe your phone is in your pocket or maybe a little away from you and you can just access it right from your Mac without you doing anything. Universal Clipboard, AirDrop, Handoff, Continuity camera, Instant Hotspot, calls and text on your Mac, and your entire iPhone on your Mac screen. All of it is already within your iPhone and Mac system. No extra download needed, no subscriptions required. It's all about understanding all these features and their usage. Anyways, this is pretty much it in this video. If you found anything valuable, anything new in this video, do share that in the comments with me. And if I missed anything, I'd like to hear that as well. Now, if you're ready to step up, here's the next video for you. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe Crazy-Etters for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.